So we don't have any client right now, so let's create the client. Go to file, new project, Win32 console application, name it client. Select empty project and finish. Okay, now select the source folder and right click, add new item, C++. Whatever we have done in the server is almost the same, so I'm going to copy that where it was, YouTube server and source. So it is going to be exactly the same till here. So till initialization is exactly the same. Now you have to create a socket for the client that you have done in the server also. Create client socket. Socket C, or you can use any name like honey is equals to socket, so ck socket result family result type result protocol. Now the socket is ready. You have to connect to the server. Now in previously server has to listen to the client, but client doesn't have to listen to anyone. It is directly connected to the server which is listening already. So connect. So it requires one socket, the address and the address name line. Okay, so we have all of them. So the socket is Annie, this is the result, the address. Okay, now the again the result address length. Now that I have connected to the server, I can now do the main part. Again, I can send any messages to the server, and I want to get the message from the user from the console window, so I want to use a do while. Okay, so here again I need a status, a character variable, character array. Actually, let's use string. When you are sending, you can use string. So what am I thinking? String. Okay, yeah, and string str oh std string send message. Okay, so first take the input from the user. let's, let's use string. Previously I used printf, now I am to use the C++ one, cnc out. Let's use scene, and I want to use std getLine to get the entire line, and std cin comma send message send. Why it is not coming? Okay, whatever. So now that I have the message, I want to send it to the server, and I want to store the status to the status variable. So status equals send. Now I need a socket variable and the sending variable buffer, the length, and some flag. So the socket variable I can get it from the, yeah, this one. Now the buffer. So the buffer is now my string, whatever I have received from the console. Dot. But here you can see it is taking constant character pointer. So we can get it using string dot cstr, right? Okay. Now the length of the string, you can get it from string length str len string length, or you can get it send msg dot len length. You can get it also. Okay. Now some flag, I'm setting it to 0. I want to continue the loop until there is an error. So the status, where is it? Status not equals to winsock socket header socket error. So when there will be a socket error, it will come out of the loop and it will close the connection. So first you have to shut down the connection. Shut down, yeah, the socket ani the shutdown command, and now you have to close the socket. Close socket ani socket is closed. You have to clean up the WSA data. WSA cleanup, and done. Return 0. So now that you have one server, one client, let's build it first. Yeah, build succeeded. Now let's check them. Let's see. So how can you check them? Properties. So have those in the document. Files, project, tutorials, YouTube tutorials. One is the server. Okay, do one thing. Let's open it in a new window and open debug. This is the client and wait. This is the server. So you have to open the server first because the server is waiting for the client. The client is not waiting for the server. It will throw an error if the server is not present in the current address. So first open the server. Okay, what happened? Okay, let's open the server from here. And let's debug it. Okay, null pointer. Why it is null? Okay, let's see. The result is not. Ref. Okay, ref. Oh. 1. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Yeah, so the problem was I defined the sock type as IP proto TCP and I didn't define the IP protocol AI protocol. So you have to fix this here and in the let's first build this and try to run this. Yeah, now it's running. Okay, now open the client. You have to fix that there also. So it has to be stock is socket sock str sock stream and ref AI protocol is IP pro to TCP. Where is that? IP pro TCP. Now call. Yeah. Build this too. Yeah. Now you have the server. Okay. Now you have the server and the client. First open the server. It's listening. Wait. This one is server. So no, okay. Now the server is opened. To see the client, try to add something, and that is gone. And the client, and you should be able to see the server. Let's put a breakpoint here, and send. The status is -1. Sending error. Okay, I guess server is not listening correctly. Okay, let's open the server once again. Now open the again. It is showing -1. This is the server. Okay, so I changed the IP actually. So the IP here is this, and the IP here. These two has to be the same, otherwise it will not work. It has to work on the same IP. Now let's build the server once again. Server build. Okay, to close this first. Then build. Build succeeded. Yeah. Open the server. Open the client. And still not working. Okay, I changed the port also. The port is here 1234. It was in the original. Okay. Again, I hope this time it works. The server, the client. Yeah, voila, it's working. We have to add the new line in the server while printing. So thanks for watching. See you next time.